Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black, looks great. You do have the chrome accenting on your grille up front here with your halogen headlights and your fog lights down there, and it does have a chrome bumper down there as well. And coming around the side we do have our 17-inch rims with our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look great, lots of tread left on them as well. You got your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back, we got a 5-foot box. Looks fantastic. You do have the 4x4 badging, as well as the chrome bumper back here. Open this guy up here. Looks great back here, lots of room to haul things, and it does have the spray and box liner as well, so nothing but getting scratched up. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You got your panic button up there. Let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Got your handle, another handle here, and some storage right down here. Looks great in here. You do have your cloth seats, very comfortable, very nice. You do have your controls over your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as if you press them in, you got your fog lights and your in-cabin light control here. And then right up here, we do have the controls over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start her up. So, key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Also says right in the center there how many kilometers we have, which is 59,000, not too bad at all. We also have the temperature outside and our kilometers. Now we can change the round to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, messages, screen setup, settings, and you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting to you. Now that is controlled from right here. You also have your horn in the center and your cruise control options right over there. Gear shift is here, just like that. Then in the center you do have your radio. So for your radio you do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM on there. You got your media tab. You have your presets down there, your info, your ABC, power up and down with the off. You have your skip and pause and all that. Audio, menu, back button. You also have your tuner and browser over there. Down here we do have our control over the 4-wheel lock, 2-wheel, and 4-wheel low, as well as the neutral button right there. Over here we do have our controls over our climate. So we do have our power up and down with the circulation there. You have your traction control, or sorry, not your traction control, that one's your hazard lights. You have your power up and down with your AC and your where it's going to blow out of over there with your defrost. Then down here we do have our traction control and our tow and haul mode. Bit of extra storage in there, and some little storage in there. In the center you got your armrest with 3 cup holders. You also got some storage in there. You have some coin holders here, and a USB and an aux cord plug-in right over there. Then we can lift this up. We got some storage underneath here, or sorry, another seat underneath here. So it does seat 6 people all together. Then over here you have your top layer for your glove box, and your bottom layer right there as well. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have that same handle there. You have your control over your windows handled here, and some storage down here. Looks fantastic back here as well. Same material as the front, very comfortable. You can lift this up, and you got some storage underneath there with some cup holders right over there. You can also lift this up, and you do have some storage underneath the floor mats. And there's our 5.7-liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2014 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.